sharp cheddar latkes. I gotta tell you, so like this is the season for frying things, right? And potato latkes are incredible. I just, I was thinking about this show, and I was thinking about what to make special for you, and I was like, we need to step it up a little bit, and I thought that the cheesiness would be awesome. Mostly because I was thinking about, applesauce and sour cream. Everybody yaps about applesauce and sour cream, and I was thinking about apples, and I was thinking about cheddar cheese, right, and apples. And then I was like, wait a minute, what if? And I don't like applesauce with latkes. I know I'm gonna get everybody's gonna be mad at me. I do like sour cream a lot, and I like to use labneh. But then I was thinking, why not cheddar in the potato pancakes? And why don't we step up our sour cream game, and let's do horseradish and scallion in the sour cream. All right. So we're using sharp cheddar.
Yes.
We're using potatoes. Now you also probably noticed I didn't peel the potato. All right. Now this is yet another thing on the list of things that are going to offend traditionalists.
Rub them and put it in there, baby. Yes.
Exactly. No, so potato skins are the flavor of potatoes, and they're also the nutrients, right? And I like it. I want it to be robust. So we've got a little bit of salt and pepper. We've got a little bit of matzo meal here, which is just really matzo that's been ground up. And we're going to crack an egg. And if you don't have matzo meal, no worries. Just use a little bit of all-purpose flour and the egg just to bind it. And then we're just going to mix it really, really, really nicely. Now, Rachel, let me ask you, are you a sour cream or an applesauce person?
I am a sour cream horseradish person, but my mother is an applesauce person. But I make hers very savory with lemon and thyme. And I am 100% horseradish sour cream. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that. You're just gently kind of pressing them into the pan in little mounds and then letting them hang out.
Exactly. So what we're going to do is we're going to let them fry. Now I'm frying them. Sorry, I'm just going to wash off my hands. I'm frying them in canola oil. You can use peanut oil. You can use grape leaves. And if you notice, I don't even cook them super hot. So I would say that olive oil would be totally fine. Olive oil smoke
even
point
regular,
is
like
about
grocery store grade, not extra virgin, but grocery store
grade.
Totally fine, right?
Exactly. Yep. Totally fine. And I think the flavor is really good. And the idea is that we cook them at this sort of, let me just bring these back over to you. Hang on one second. Let me get we want a nice sort of lazy, a little bit more than a lazy bubble.
A lazy fry, little bubble. Right, a lazy fry.
Exactly. All right, so I'm going to give this a little flip here. All right.
Oh, there they are.
Very simple.
Look at those gorgeous golden babies.
Hey, Michael, I came in just in time to eat, so let's have those latkes.
Easy, no. Your timing is impeccable, my friend. I love it. All right, so listen, y'all. We've got sour cream, salt, pepper, prepared horseradish, right? That's like the vinegared horseradish, and then chopped scallions, and that's it. Now, if you've got chives, great. If you got red onion, you want to throw that in, that's fine. This is sort of like the French onion dip that we grew up to love. I'm just gonna give this a quick little taste. Delicious. Let's spoon a little bit of this in here. And you know what? And if you want to do applesauce, this is okay, right? Because you've got the cheddar inside of the potato pancake.
Apples and cheddar go great together as well. Mom would be very happy. Applesauce for her and horseradish for us.